So our daughter was turning 2 and we were exploring to get a learning kit primarily because it was pandemic and we thought that we would give her some kind of learning experience at home. So we explored many options. We looked at various websites and we explored some of them. Some were really very expensive, while some had a lot of screen time that children had to go through that learning experience. Then, while exploring all these options, we came across this kit, Your Buddy, on Amazon, and it was very well priced, as well as had a lot of content which we felt would be right for our child. So we thought, let's give it a shot, and we got the kit. After getting the kit, we were highly impressed with it. It had a lot of things which we thought are right for the child, especially us who's just turning to, starting from obviously the learning the alphabets, but it had a lot of other meaningful things available in the kit, something like an action card, for example, that she liked a lot. What is crying, what is laughing, what is dancing, what is singing, etc. So she came across all that, which improved her vocabulary to a very large extent, and she continues to learn and express that in her daily actions. Then there is something like a picture card. So these picture cards were very interesting, and there was a scenario of a picnic, a scenario of a railway station, and etc. There were 8-10 picture cards in it. So just give you an example. The other day we were driving down, and she found the big structure around. She was asking, what is it? So we told her it's a railway station. So she immediately connected to that picture card, and she said, yes, it's that card, where a lot of people, there is a train, and there is someone carrying a luggage, and there are children around, their parents around. So you immediately connect how the picture cards and the children, how they're connecting with each other. And especially the favorite one in the kit are the coins. She started identifying colors with it, she started counting it, and she loves playing with it. So overall our experience with Your Buddy has been very impressive, and we really recommend that if you're looking for some kit for your children, I think this is the one to go for.